Hey there, and welcome back to the Nail Chronicle. This week's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create the first of my glamour series. So this is the series just full of glitter and a little bit of fun and creating some sort of party nails. So this one I've kind of pitched the idea as I was googling, just looking for ideas, and changed it up, changing the colors and the design. So I started out with just a very light pink nude shade on my ring finger, and then for the remaining fingers I decided to go with blue. I didn't want to do like a pinky kind of design. I was feeling a bit of a blue vibe going on this week, so I went with that. So I did 2 coats of the blue just to make sure I had a really nice strong depth of the color, and just to make sure it lasts long as well. So even if you've got an opaque polish, always make sure you do that second coat. It makes a world of difference. For the second part, which you'll see in a moment, I went to create the accent nail, and the design idea was going to be that I would have 2 sort of like arrow lines on my nail. That'll make more sense in a second. With the pink showing through the middle, and then on the top and the bottom of it I wanted to have the white, as you saw there. In the pictures you'll see the whole nail is actually white, and the reason is it ended up really thick with the polish, and it was just, I didn't have the right brush on me, and it just didn't turn out as well as I thought it would. So instead I started to put it off and put the white underneath. So either way, if you do with the white with the gap, or you can do it without the gap and just have white and then stamp the silver on top. Either way I think works well and looks really cool, so especially when you're creating that accent nail. So don't stress too much if your design doesn't look exactly the same. So for this one, for the actual stamping, I used my Nology stamping plate, and then just some silver Conad polish just to create the silver line. The reason I went with silver and rather than like a gold, which was what I was basing my design off, was that I wanted something that would go with the blue, and I felt the silver would gel a lot better, and plus I just don't have any gold stamping polish. It's not a color I typically go for. The other thing is you'll see me like using my hand to remove the excess polish off the stamper, and you can do other things like using a scraper, I've been told is really good, or using sticky tape, or I think scotch tape, depending on how you call it. So there's a number of ways of doing that. For me, it's just a habit I've developed over the last few years of just using my hands to remove the excess polish. So once you've done your design and you're really happy with it, you can then move on to the top coat. So for the like blue nails, just because I was playing blue, I used the Rimmel super shiny polish. However, do not use that one for your stamping. For my stamping I did use the Menology smudge free top coat, followed by a OPI start to finish. I found that's the best combo for my stamped nails. So it's really just, it'll take a little bit of experimenting to find what you do like, and what works and doesn't smudge your nail stamping. So the best thing is to see what products are close to you, what's affordable, and what works. So it might take a bit of experimentation just to see if something smudges or doesn't smudge. So this was a fairly quick design, and I really like how it turned out. It was really fun, and I even added a little bit more sparkle to the second finger, just with a little bit of a glitter top coat as well. So I hope you enjoyed this design and got some inspiration from it. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you'd give this a go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye!